Hi guys, I'm back. So today I thought I would go back in with the 39L Morphe Hit the Lights palette and do a Christmas look for you guys. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows and I did my concealer. Now I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow and start to blend away. Okay, so thank you for subscribing, anybody that has, anybody for likes, comments, everything. It's all appreciated. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go for a red shimmery look today because I want to use my red lipstick as well. So I think I'm gonna go into the color Serve Looks. It's gonna be this one right here. And I'm gonna blend that into my crease. Camera. Taking that same color and I'm gonna pick up a little bit more color, but I'm gonna dust it off and tap my brush off a little bit so I don't have too much. And I'm gonna go into my underline as well. I'm just gonna gently blend that up and just feather it circle motions until it gets softer like that. You don't want any harsh lines. We're gonna do a little bold look today, but it's okay. You can have fun with it. Like so. Make sure you have that color really even. It's okay if it's not completely perfect throughout the inside, but you want to make sure that the blend up to your brow bone is even. Okay, so I have that color. What's it called again? Serve Looks. Blended that all into my crease. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. If I can find it. There we go. And I'm gonna make the little halo. So I have hooded eyelids, so as you can tell, look how small my eyelid is there, and then how big I'm lifting it up to right over my crease. You can see where it folds, but that's gonna give the illusion of a bigger eye. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush, little flat brush, and I think I want to grab the color Obsessive. It's this really pretty, it's a black but it has some shimmer in it. This one right here. And I'm going to put that on my inner and outer corner, barely touching into that concealer part. gonna go back in with my other blending brush and I'm gonna kind of blend that up. Going back with my fluffy brush again. I'm just gonna kind of blend that together. When it's hot, you're not gonna push down too hard because you're gonna put something in the middle, but you want it to be softer than it is now. Okay, I think I want to intensify that red real quick, so I'm gonna go back into Serve Looks before I do my middle color. So I'm gonna go back in with another flat brush. Trying to decide which color I want to use for my halo, because there are so many beautiful shimmery colors in this palette. It's kind of hard to decide. What I like to do is I use my fingers and I take tiny swatches on each finger of the colors that I'm trying to decide whether or not if I want to put on my lid. And then I hold them near my eye and decide which one I think looks better. Okay, so I think I'm going to do a mixture between the color Ghosted and Love Bomb. Okay, so I'm gonna take Ghosted, this pretty shimmery color right here. You can't really tell, but it's got some iridescent blues. There's even like a hint of purple shade in there. It's very metallic. I'm gonna put that one onto the halo, and then I'm gonna very gently dab Love Bomb on top of it. Okay, so then I'm gonna also take that same shimmery, actually no, I'm gonna go into a different shimmery flat brush, my little one I like to use for my glitter. I'm gonna go into the color Love Bomb, this one right here, and I'm going to pack that in the middle of my lid over where I just put Ghosted. And make sure you're using whatever brush you're using and you're gently making swooshy movements as you're doing it, because that helps blend the colors all together. Okay, so I'm gonna also grab this very, very matte black color at the very bottom of the palette. It's called Till Dawn. Very bottom corner. And I'm going to just basically pre-line my lid for my eyeliner, as well as take it down into my crease. Okay, so I'm gonna go in now with my liner. I'm going in with my NYX Matte Liquid Liner. And I'm gonna go ahead and line my eye and do my wing as well. Okay, I'm also going to take my infallible pencil liner and I'm going to draw in my underwater line. Okay, I'm gonna do my face real quick and my lips, and I'll be back to do my eyelashes. Okay guys, so I already did my face. I did do my highlight, blush, all of that already, and my powder. Now I'm just gonna do my lips and my eyelashes with you guys, and then I'm gonna go do my hair and change, and I'll be back for the finished look after that. So I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick. It is in the color Behind the Bleachers. I'm going to put that on my lips. So I always like to put a lot into my bottom lip and then I blend it out. Once you've blended that out with your lips, then you can see exactly where your lip line can go. I do take the very tip of it and I go right along the edge just to straighten it all out after. Same thing again, I kind of rub my lips together again and use my lips to push my upper upper lip line straight as close as I can get it without using my brush right away. almost like stamping your upper lip line with your bottom lip lipstick. Like so. And make sure, ladies, if you get anything on your teeth, take it off right away. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put on my eyelashes. I do need to cover them with mascara, and then once they dry, I will go over them with my eyelash curler. I'm gonna do my eyelashes, my hair, my eyelash curler, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the last look. I went ahead and added my setting spray, mascara to my top and bottom eyelashes, and then I just went and changed, added some earrings, did my hair. Let me know what you guys think. If you want tutorials on eyebrows, hair, anything else, let me know. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.